Why is holly associated with Christmas? Holly has been used traditionally in houses and churches at Christmas time for decorative purpose. It was originally called the holy tree. The word holly may have come from this name. Holly is the common name for group of shrubs and small trees. The two best-known hollies, the American holly and the English holly, are evergreens. These two hollies have glossy green leaves and red berries and are used to make attractive Christmas wreaths. Holly wood is very hard and has a close grain. It is used for making musical instruments, furniture, and in interior decoration. The inner bark yields the sticky material called birdlime. The leaves of a South American species are used to make a tea-like drink called mate. The poinsettia is a popular houseplant also used as Christmas decoration. What looks like the bright red petals are actually a kind of leaf. The real flowers are the tiny green dots in the middle. Thank you.